Umwaka w'2020 ekitongole kya Aprocell kikatunga sente okuruga mu kigombe kya Lagdum okwere mbuhe mu kihomi kya Nyamushekera bari kubegesa emyogo etari emwe n'emwe.
Ezokurangwa abantu itonga Aprocell twabegesa eby'emikono, skills development, tubegesa okubeiza, tubegesa okukora nkitwe ziri open za sandozi, tubegesa ekukora ebyenkwanzi, beads, tubegesa okushona ekyarani.
Nyamushekera, truly we have really gone ahead, and to tell you the truth, the lives of inmates have greatly improved. If you have been visiting us there before, especially 2 to 3 years back,
emwe hanshonga esasi z'abebembezi n'enshonga y'abakazi abari mu kihomi n'abaana bato, kandi abebembezi baraganisa kuba kubasa kwera kumara ekizibu eki.
Okuza mu kihomi usanga abana ari abana bato konka nibasiiba n'abanye nabo omukono. Ekya kabiri n'obutukugezaho kubegesa orayina omwana atakumuha chance y'okusoma ki mbwenu tusangire ngu nkyetagisa ako ekintu eki tukakireba oguru mu kihomi main prison ya Guru twasanga biine daycare center.
Building a daycare center. We said yes, the resources are not there, but for us we are going to mobilize. Yes, through our own local government and even through other stakeholders.
Umjenyu mukuru mukoro gubira RDC wa Rubirizi Bruno Kikanshemeza ashabira abantu kuhagira enteekateeka ya Aprocell aha kuba buri muntu wenesha yona nayishango mu kihomi.
And I don't know why it is not sounding. I have never heard it say in Greater Bushey. The 2 years I have been here. And I think if government, if we are to support organizations, such a projects are very important. For example, the department you are dealing with, prisons.
Abasibe hatu ambakaru report n'ononga mbasima okureba ngo hati abasibe beine ekibaro gukora baba ari ombwire bakomerwe bakareka kweyanga kikabaretera icyo bayiga nanyensa ko abayatahire ukashanga icyo yayigasira.
Abasibe bari kurenga 200 bamazire kugunjurwa emyogo etari emwe n'emwe omu kihomi kya Nyamushekera mu Bushenyi. Gashoka Abraham Muganzi.